Manas, are you on?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is how we'll write the class. Okay, now once if you write a class, some variables will be there. What are the other members? Methods. Okay, variables and methods. See, variables, if you need, you can write, but based on your requirement. Okay, but mandatory one is method. Inside a class, you should contain at least a method. That method or a function. From now onwards, I will use method. Okay, you consider in your mind it's like a function in C programming. Okay, in Java terminology, we should use method. Okay, inside a class, we must contain at least one method. That method can be main method. As I said earlier, in C programming, you can have multiple functions. To call those, one main is required. That is the entry point for your program execution. Similarly, in your Java program also, there should be a main method. That is the entry point. Okay, that main method looks like this. Okay, let me write a simple one. Do you guys have Eclipse installed in your systems?
I have Eclipse installed. Like I tried doing this automation class, so I do have Eclipse installed, but I just need to check if it's configured properly and ready to be used.
Yeah, if you are able to open Eclipse, that's fine. Just you will be having a symbol like this. Okay, that can be either Neon or Mars, any Eclipse version. Anything is fine. You can find this kind of symbol after installation. Just you double click on it. Okay, let me show that.
Yeah, I have Neon and it's open.
Okay, then fine, good. Did you get this kind of screen?
Yeah.
See, guys.
What about Manas?
Actually, I will install it today.
Okay, then fine. You can install it. Today, anyhow, we have another 20 minutes time. I will show one simple program and I will tell you guys some concepts of any programming. That can be C or any programming. Okay, you go through those concepts in C programming. Just to try to understand theory. What is it? Why is it required and all. Okay, those basics just so that it will be easy for you to understand next classes somewhat in detail. Okay. Now, see here. This is how we'll write a class, right? Class contains some variables and methods. At least one method is required. Today, what we are going to do is we'll write a class, sample class. Okay, we'll write a sample class. Okay, sample class sample, like that. Inside that, what we supposed to write? Variables and methods. You consider we are not going to perform any specific operations, so we don't need data also. Just we'll write a main method. Only one method, mandatory method, main method. Okay. Inside that, we'll write simple print statement. Any print statement. Okay. So this is the main method. Okay. Generally in C program, how do we write? Wide main like this, right? And inside that, statements. This is how we'll write inside C programming, statements. Okay, just we'll write this blue color highlighted one in C programming. But in Java, our main method name is public static void main. Public, what is the meaning of each one? I will explain you in future classes. Now try to remember, this is the syntax to write a main method in Java programming. Public static void main. Okay, inside that string, string, string. Okay, like this. Okay, string like this. What is it? This is string is also a data type like int, float, char, boolean, whatever we have seen some time back. Like that, we have a data type called string. We have a data type whose name is string. String type variable I am declaring. What is it? Yes, like how we declare, see here, int, yes, we can declare, right? Like that, instead of integer data type, we have something called string data type. String, yes, okay? Yes is a variable. So that variable is of type array. What is array? I will let you know soon. Okay, I will explain you. Okay, so I declare, so main method takes a string array. Okay, string array. Name can be yes or s1 or Venkat, or it can be anything, just a variable name. But to specify that this is a array, you should use this index braces. Okay, and this array should be of type string. Okay, this is the syntax of main method in Java programming. Okay, so here in statement place we'll write a simple statement to print one statement, one simple sentence like welcome to Java class, like that we want to print. Okay, to print a statement or to print something, we have something called system dot out dot println. Okay, like this we should write. Okay, inside that in double quotes, whatever you want to print, you should write that in double quotes. Welcome to today's Java session. Okay, this will be printed as it is. This will be printed as it is. Whatever you are writing in double quotes, that will be printed as it is. Okay, and every statement should ends with semicolon, as we learned in C programming. Okay, every statement in Java also same. The variable declaration and all same as C programming. Not only in C, most of the programming languages have same syntax of variable declaration and all. That is the reason C is mandatory to learn any other program. It is like a mother of the all programming languages. First, that is kind of a basic. Okay, so after this class, please go through any C programming tutorial and all. I will tell you some of the concepts. Please go through it. Just try to understand what is it, why is it, okay, how to declare syntax and all. Because first time when I write in text to declare a variable, okay, without explaining, just if I write like this, declare a variable, you will think what is int, what is x. Today I explained something like data type, after that some space and variable name. This is the syntax to declare a variable, and there are some data types like int, float, boolean, char. You can use any one of the data type to declare a variable based on your requirement. Okay, so after this you are understanding how to write a variable, how to assign a value to a variable. Okay, like this for other concepts also, like arrays, simple things. Okay, those basics I will let you know. Please go through those before coming to tomorrow's class. Okay, now this is the statement. Okay, just you consider this is the fixed statement to print some data. I will explain you each and every one in this statement. What is it exactly? Okay, this is the statement. Soon I will explain you. For time being, first 1 or 2 days you consider, if you want to print something, you must use this system.out.println, after that parenthesis, and then double quotes. Okay, in double quotes, whatever you want to print, that you should write. Okay, this is how we'll write a simple Java program. Clear? Now, how to write it in our Eclipse? First, let me open it. Once if you install any Eclipse version, okay, for running Eclipse, first you need to install Java in your machines. Okay, that can be Java 8 is the latest one. Install Java. Okay, after installing Java, install Eclipse. Okay, once if you install Eclipse, you will get a symbol like this. Okay, Eclipse. There are different versions of Eclipse. You can install any one which is available for you. Okay, once if you get this shortcut, just click on it. While installing, just go through with the default setting. Just double click it and then go next like that. Okay, no need to do any specific settings. With the default settings only you can go. Once if you finish the installation, okay, you will get this kind of shortcut method for Eclipse. Just double click on it. Once if you double click on it, you will get this window. This window is asking select your workspace directory. That is, now what you are going to do is you are going to write some programs using Eclipse. Okay, now see here I am writing some data. So in Notepad I am writing here. If I want to save it, I should save and give some file name and specify the location on this PC in which folder it's supposed to save this file, right? Similarly, workspace is similar to that only. Specify the directory name, which one it's supposed to use to save your programs. Once if you write your program, some steps are there. I will show you soon how to write a program. Okay, Java program. Once if you write that Java program, where it's supposed to save, okay, that place it is asking. So you select a directory name or a folder name as your workspace is nothing but where you are going to write all your programs. That folder name you specify. Okay, here in my system, okay, in my users, I have something called batch 4 or else batch 41. Okay, let me write batch 41. Okay, this is the folder name I am specifying. Okay, it will open that. Okay, it will open the Eclipse. In that path, in that workspace is nothing but the folder where it's supposed to create or save all your programs, whatever you are going to write now. Okay, that is the workspace. Workspace is nothing but a directory in your system. It can be anywhere.
So Venkat, I do have Eclipse installed as I mentioned earlier. How do I check like which is the workspace directory?
Okay, by default in your users it will select workspace. See, can you please close and do you have opened that now, right now? Eclipse?
I have Eclipse opened, yes.
Yeah, please close it once and share your screen once. I will show you.
Okay.
See here, 1 second. Here in plus symbol, you have share screening option. Please share that. Okay. Are you able to see? I'm showing stop sharing. I'm going to stop it. Okay, you can use this plus symbol and share screen option you will get. Please share your screen and close the Eclipse and again click on that shortcut.
Do you see my screen?
No, not yet.
Okay, hang on 1 second.
Click on that plus symbol and share screens.
Okay, do you see it now?
Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, now I am able to see. Yeah, click on Eclipse. Yes, now it will show that 1 second. Don't click on OK immediately. Wait for a minute. Oh, okay, then problem might be 1 second. Let me show once because
it's not Windows, it's Mac.
Okay, even though in Mac also. Arun, are you there?
Yeah.
Let me open once.
Yeah,
Generally,
Venkat.
always always open this workspace like that. If any checkbox is available while opening, if it is selected, then it will go immediately. I don't have any experience on Mac.
Yeah,
Okay.
Venkat, I'm here. Tell me.
Yeah, Arun,
Yeah.
are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
One second. No, it's not mine. One second. Let me share. After click on Eclipse, right? It will ask this workspace selection.
Yeah.
For him, it is not asking. Yeah, you can. In Mac also, it will show same window, right? If you select this, use this as the default and do not ask again.
Yeah.
If this checkbox is selected, after double click directly you will get that Windows Eclipse workspace. Got it, guys?
Yeah, but do you know like where is it on Mac? Like, it's fine. I'll try and figure it out.
Just Google it once. Okay, how to select different one. So this setting you can change somewhere inside that. Okay, here for me it is not enabled.
Or else he can. It is that option is not asking, right? Or else he can
Correct.
create a folder inside and he can open that. That is okay.
Generally by default it will take under users there will be a folder workspace. By default it will go there. Okay, if you want to create anyone you can create and browse that. Okay. After this class just check once, Google it how to change that. Okay, then it will show. That option may be somewhere here you can try. So you will get like this. Just click on workbench and you will get window like this. Okay. Now here in file, new project, Java project. This is how we'll create a project. See, before going to create that, let me explain. After installation of Java 8, okay, you have to install Eclipse also and then open it. Once if you open, this is the structure of that. See, one second. In any programming language, right, we'll write some piece of code like a methods or functions and then classes. Okay, like this, so many classes we call. See, class you understood. What is class? It is combination of some methods, right? Related methods and data. Like this, multiple classes you can have. Okay, multiple classes you have. Multiple classes in your project. Okay, so multiple classes. These classes also again you can group based on something. See, in a big project, some are related to networking related. So all networking related you can group into one. Okay, all some other non-related networking, non-related, not networking. Okay, that into another category like that. Or else if you want to do something like a library, okay, different categories. If you want to divide full bunch of all classes into different categories, you can group like this. Okay, these are classes. This is one class like this. Total you have 5 classes. Those classes again you categorized into something called, you grouped into different groups. That is called package. All related classes. Okay, one set of one type of classes you can group to one folder, that we call it as package. This is one package, this is another package. Like that. Okay, one second. Package. Okay, like that. Overall, this full one is called project. Your project contains so many classes. Okay, related classes you can group into one package. Okay, so what is the smallest piece? Class. Inside class, methods will be there. Okay, so related classes you can group together and form or create packages. Multiple packages can be available inside a project. Got it? So first we need to create a project. Inside project, you can create a package. Inside package, you can write a class. Okay, got it, guys? So package first project, under project, sub one is package. Inside package, you can write class. Got it? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create main thing here. What is the big one? Project. Main one is project. Under that, sub one is under project, sub one is package. Okay. Now, first let me create a project, Java project. Java project. My first project. Okay. This is how just create a project. Give project name. See here. Here left side you can see project. Okay. Now here under project, what is there? Package. Okay. So right click on your project. Okay. Select it and then right click. Here new you select and you can click on package. Okay. Package. Okay. Now what is the package name? You can give my package anything. Okay. Package where it will be created, under project. See here under project, everything is called source, src, everything. Under that, see all these files, either this package files or this package 2 package 2 files from any package, everything is called source. Okay, that's why under source only it will create the package. Okay, see here inside your project. Okay, src will be there. That means source code. Inside that, whatever the package you created, it will create. Okay, directly you can right click on the like that you can create, or else under src also you can new package anywhere, because all these packages will be under source code only. Okay, now inside the package just new class. I'm going to create new class. Okay, first class. Okay, first class. Here, that is first class. See, I created a class, first class. So see here how to write a class. How to write a class? Mention class space name. Guys, can you please mute? Hello, all of you please go on mute.
Hello? Sanjana, can you mute
Thank
it?
you. Okay, as I said earlier, how to write a class, keyword, and then for time being, you forget about this public. I will explain you soon later. Okay, so public. Okay, after that class name. Class name, when we create new class, see here. Okay, new class. Just class name, if you give something like test and all anything, automatically it will create the template with that class name, class template it will create. Got it? First class or template class. Okay, all these are available inside my package. In every class, in every file. Okay, this is the class. Okay, this full thing is one file. Okay, inside file only classes will be there. Okay, now first statement is package name, where this file is available. This is available in package. What is the package name? My package. Okay, got it? This one no need to worry, automatically it will come, and that is not required also really. Okay, that you will understand soon at the end. Okay, this is the main thing, class name. Okay, inside class what we supposed to write? What we supposed to write? Minimum a method is required. Minimum a method is, if you want to run this class, see, right click, run as, okay, run configuration. Instead of this, it should show run as Java application. It should show run as Java application. Okay, when you click run as, see here, this is your file. Right click, run as. It should show run as, should show Java application. Okay, option. Then only you can run that Java. See, or else you can right click here. Okay, and then run as same, right clicking on this file here, or else right clicking on here and then run as, both are same. Okay, so why is it not showing run as Java application? Because if you want to run it, this program as a Java application, you must need a entry point. What is that? That is main method. As I said earlier, we need minimum or at least one method. That method is main method. Okay, that method name is public static void main. Okay, which should take string argument. Okay, and that argument also should be of array type, string type array. Okay, now got it, guys? Now see here, right click and then run as. Are you able to see Java application option? Guys,
Yeah.
run as Java application. Same thing, you check in test file. This is test file, another one. See here, you cannot see run as Java application. Why? Because there is no main method inside this file. So if you want to run your Java program, minimum main method is required. Okay, because that is the entry point. If entry point is there, then only we can get this run as Java application option. Just run as Java application. Okay, it is showing this source file is modified. Do you want to save it? Yes, save. Okay, and then run it. Right click, run as Java application. See, after run as Java application, we are not seeing any difference because inside it started executing this. Did we write anything inside this main method? No, right? That's why it executed, but what is there to execute? Nothing. Just enter, exit, enter, exit. That's it. Nothing is there. Okay, so just what I'm going to do is now, just I'm going to write a simple print statement to print some message. Okay, system.out.println. For time being, please consider this is the or syntax to write or to print something on the console. Okay, so system.out.println. This full thing you consider. See here, guys, some time back when I write a method main, when I write main, I'm calling some other functions, right? So this parenthesis means calling something or calling some other method or function, right? Similarly here, see here, this is also calling parenthesis, right? Calling some other method. Okay, this is the method. You consider this full name is the method name. For time being, you consider this full thing is the method name. I am calling that method. What is that method name? System.out.println is the method. Okay, it will actually println only the method. System.out is having some different meaning. Okay, for to understand that, it will take some more time to understand those two tokens, system out and all. For time being, you consider system.out.println is a method to print data on the console. Okay, so what data you are printing? You are not writing anything within that parenthesis. Okay, if you write something, it will print. See, welcome. So this will be printed as it is. Within double quotes, whatever you will write, that is called string. What is string? If you write anything within double quote, see here, here double quote, here double quote, starting double quote, ending double quote, that is called string. Okay, this full thing is called one string. Whatever you write inside double quote, that is called a string. Println will take a string argument. Whatever the string argument you are passing, that will be printed as it is. Okay, see, welcome to Java session. String you are passing to println method. Got it? Now it should execute because one statement is there. Okay, see here it changed console. You can see the mouse pointer. Okay, console, under console, what is it showing? Welcome to Java session. Got it? If you write one more time, okay, write something, just hello, okay, and save it. Here top one you can see here save option. Second one is save all. Multiple files, if you have modified multiple, save all or else save anything. After saving, just right click your file and then run as Java application. See here, is it printing on the console? See guys, is it clear? Understandable?
Yes, Venkat.
Yep.
How to print some data on console. Okay, this is the simple program how to print data on console. Okay, tomorrow we will see how to write multiple classes, how to call methods of one class in another class. Okay, or else same class only contains multiple methods. How to call those methods here, all those we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, before coming to tomorrow's class, I request you guys please go through some of the concepts I will tell you now. Okay, those concepts please go through it once. Okay, so that it will be easy. Okay, any C programming book if you guys have, please open it and then go through it, or else just Google it once. C programming tutorials will get. Okay, just to try to understand what is it and all. Okay, variables, data types. Okay, one or two examples also try for this. Okay, data types, variables, and functions. Just basics, simple basics, how to write a simple function. Already I showed those. Okay, just data types means what are the data types. Okay, like what are codes. Okay, and then variables. Okay, and then functions. I think these basics are enough. Okay, functions and function return types. Okay, for these just go through one's theory and if possible one or two programs related to these. If you guys go through those, then it will be easy for us. Okay, and functions, how to write functions, same here, above one also same, how to write a function, how to call a function, what are function arguments. Okay, function arguments, functions means this one. See, this is how we'll write function. Where is that? This is how we'll write function. Okay, if you are passing something here, that is called argument. Here, if you are passing anything, that is called argument, function argument. While calling also, if function definition is taking any arguments while calling, we should pass. Okay. For example, multiple function takes argument means here integer argument. Here you should pass an integer variable. Okay, integer data or variable. Okay, got it, guys?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Whatever we discussed today.
Yeah.
Please go through this. Okay, if you are having some idea on this, then it will be very easy to understand next classes. Almost we discussed this. Just I have gone through top view. Just go inside little. Just spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes on those. Maybe 2-3 hours if you spend, you can cover all these topics once. Okay, in C programming. Got it?
Okay.
Are this clear? What you guys supposed to go through before coming to tomorrow's class?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Have a nice day and please go through those so that it will be easy tomorrow. Okay, those are enough. Sorry, I forgot one more thing. Simple one. Erase. Erase. Just what is the definition and how to write. Okay.
Okay.
Definition of erase. Declare erase and how to access. See, just let me explain a simple point before closing it. See, if I declare int x, for x can I assign one value only, either 10 or 20, one at a time. Later in next statement, that variable value, if I want, I can change it to 30. Next statement, if I want to change it, I can change it to 40. But at a time, x holds only one value, right? If my requirement is with one variable name, if I want to store multiple values, okay, with the x name only, I want to store multiple values. How is it possible? For that, we need arrays. Array is collection of multiple data values. See, to declare it as array, you can write like this. Okay. So x became like array. Array can store multiple values. Okay. So what type of array that is? Integer type. So it can store multiple values. So to assign values multiple, you can write like this 10, 20. That means two values you are assigning. If you write three values, all values, how many values you want to assign to that array, okay, you can separate those values with the comma and you can write like this. Okay, if you want to access those, okay, array name, one will be in 0th location, second one will be in first location. Array index, here array index will write, index value starts from 0. First element will be 0th location, that is nothing but 10. X of 1 means nothing but 20. X of, got it? X of 2 means third element. So if you want to change third element or second element, you can change like this also. Okay, for accessing, how to access? Just print x of 1 like this. Got it, guys? This is how array, how to declare array. This is how. Okay, just you can write first. This is declaration. Right side is assigning value. Nothing but initialization also. Okay, so array. How to access array values using index. Array index always starts from 0. First element of the array will be in 0th location. Okay, got it? Just to go through these basics once. Okay, that will be sufficient to understand remaining classes of Java and Selenium. Selenium is very simple. Okay, Java basics, if you know, just calling some methods, write methods, call it. Actually, some predefined methods are provided by Selenium people. Okay, they wrote some class Java classes. They gave it to us. Those classes have some methods. So how to access those methods? If we understand, that is enough for us. Okay, for writing Selenium.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. Have a nice day and please go through it. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Venkat.
Okay, Venkat. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, Arun.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.